The definition of Rabb, many people say that is Lord, but Lord in English is a minute definition, or a very a lacking definition. Lord is the one who creates, who sustains, and then He is the one who destroys. Rabbil Alameen. Who is Alameen? What is Alameen? Alameen is the complete creation. The seven heavens, the seven earth, and everything what comes. Hatta al-arsh also comes under Him. And Allah Azza wa Jal, He is the one who created everything, the arsh, the qalam, the kursi, the throne of Allah Azza wa Jal, and whatever comes, and whatever the seven heavens and the seven earth, that He is the owner of all of these. And that's the reason we say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise and thankfulness be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is the creator, the sustainer of the Alameen, the complete creation. Then we go on to say Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. These are the two names of Allah. Number one is Ar-Rahman. What is it? Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman and Rahim, you see, it has three letters in it. Ra, Ha, and Meen, which means Rahm, mercy. This is, both of these names are mushtaq, or is taken out or derived from Rahma, mercy. What is Ar-Rahman and what is Ar-Rahim? There is a farq, there is a differentiation. The first Ar-Rahman is the general mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala over the creation, whatever He has created, whether it be ins, humans, jinn, kafir, non-Muslim, Muslims, believers, non-believers, person who is a rich, poor, person who is a transgressor, sinner, animals, every creation, microorganisms, the celestial bodies, everything. That mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala encompasses everything. It covers everything. All of these creation. Number two is Ar-Rahman, and number two is Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahim is the mercy of Allah is specific over only the believers. So Ar-Rahman means for everyone. He is merciful to everyone. Rahim is merciful exceptionally only for the believers. The one who believes in Him, the books, the prophets, the Qiyamah, the Qadr, whatever the 6 articles of faith we see, we believe in the same way that Muhammad taught us, and believe in the Risala of Muhammad and the prophethood of Muhammad, then we will be under this mercy, this specific mercy, and only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala become Ar-Rahim for us. And you cannot be, or you cannot achieve the special mercy until and unless you have Tawheed, yani you worship Allah Azza wa Jal only and do not associate any partners with Him. And if you do not do so, then you will be just getting a general rahmah, and on Yawm al-Qiyamah you will be in loss.